This is a nineaccy monoblock D-shackle padlock that I got off of Amazon. It's not a great lock. I got it to make a short with it, raking it open, and it doesn't like to rake. It doesn't rake all the way open because of the way the pins are. But I will show you the fastest way I figured out how to get into it. Just give the pins a little scrub. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, let's try this. 1, 2, 3, and then 5. So I set a couple of the pins, and then you know, just go back through and increase the tension. So just to try to single pin pick it, I'm gonna use kind of heavy tension, something at a 1, nothing on 2. That was maybe 3, 2 again, 1, 2, 3, 2. So 1, 2. There's 3. Alright, now I got 3 all the way set. And then all I had to do was hit 5. You don't even have to open, or hit number 6 to open it, and number 6 is supposed to be a really high set pin, so I think the driver is just sitting down in the core. But that is the nineaccy monoblock padlock